Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed. In today's video, we will be talking about KitchenAid Dishwasher error code E4F8, what it means, and why it occurs. But first, what does error code E4F8 mean? The E4F8 error code usually indicates the issue with the water drainage system in the dishwasher, which may be due to blockages, faulty components, or excess suds. It is an error that hinders the normal functioning of the machine to make a proper cycle. The following are some of the common causes of the error code E4F8. Excessive suds. Excessive suds can result from the wrong type of detergent or applying too much rinse aid, causing the error. Clogged filter. Food particles presence can block the filter, interfering with proper drainage and causing the error. Blocked drain hose. If the drain hose of the dishwasher has kinks or twists, then the water will not drain as it's supposed to, causing the error. Faulty drain pump. The error can also occur if the drain pump fails, leading to drainage problems. Leak in the leak pan. If the water gets into the leak pan, it will activate the float switch, causing the error message. Now, let's look at the best solutions you can apply to fix error code E4F8. Check for excessive suds. Begin a cycle and allow the cycle to run up to 1 to 2 minutes. Open the door and check for excessive suds. If present, confirm that you are using a suitable detergent for cleaning your dishes. Clean the dishwasher filter. Pull out the filter placed at the lower part of the dishwasher. Wash it under running water to ensure that all the particles of food and dirt on it have been washed off. Inspect the drain hose. Remove the drain hose and see if there are any bends or obstructions. To remove any obstructions, use a flexible brush or simply run water through it. Examine the drain pump. If there is no problem with the filter and hose, then maybe it is the drain pump that is the problem. Try this. Reach the pump by taking off the front panel of the dishwasher and wipe off any dirt around the area. Check the leak pan. Follow these steps. Take off the access panel and examine the leak pan. If there is water in the pan, drain it and check for any leakage. If these steps do not solve the error, it could be high time for a professional technician to intervene and probably diagnose and repair the problem. They can also conduct more precise analysis, for instance, electrical testing of the components. Thanks for watching.